Today, I am going to discuss about the aim and objectives and need of physical education from chapter number 1, Basic Concept of Physical Education of class 8. Before knowing the aim, objectives and need of physical education, we have to know about physical education. What is physical education? Physical education is related to body movement, and we know movement is the basis of life. It's a lifelong process. Generally, physical education is misunderstood to mean physical activity or merely PT, drill, gymnastics, athletics or marching. It is necessary to provide knowledge regarding true meaning and scope of physical education. A good definition is one which encompasses all the characteristics of the concept. Different physical educationists have given different definitions. Among them, I would like to mention two definitions. According to Charles A. Bucher, physical education, an integral part of the total education process, is a field of endeavor that has as its aim the improvement of human performance through the medium of physical activities that have been selected with a view to realizing this outcome. According to J.P. Thomas, physical education is education through physical activities for the development of total personality of the child and its fulfillment and perfection in body, mind and spirit. The aim of physical education is optimum and wholesome development of individual for complete living and making him a good citizen. Objectives are steps, advances and realities in relation to the aim. The objectives are something desirable, which seem possible of being attained, and through which the final goal is brought nearer to the realization. Charles A. Bucher has mentioned 4 objectives: physical development objective, motor and movement development objective, cognitive and mental development objective, and social development objective. However, he suggested in addition another one objective, that is effective development objective. In this objective, the main focus is to develop body muscles, internal systems of the body, fitness, etc. In this objective, the main focus is to develop the coordination between neuromuscular systems, coordination between brain and nerves, improve reaction time, etc. The main focus in this objective is to increase concentration, increase mental activities, etc. In these objectives, development of friendly relation, development of cooperation, sympathy, punctuality, discipline, honesty, impartiality, respect towards authority, development of sportsman spirit, ideal citizenship increases. In this objective, the main focus is concerned with helping the athletes or sportsperson to clarify and think through their values, interests, appreciations, attitudes and judgment. Physical education is an integral part of the general education. For this reason, physical education has gained much importance in the arena of education. The important aspects of physical education are: these include income, education, nutrition, employment and housing. Rich people have capacity to seek better medical care, so they are healthy, but rich people are inactive and sedentary, so they are prone for heart disease, diabetes, obesity, etc. In the playground, He becomes disciplined and develops consciousness towards social responsibilities. Regular physical activity develops strength, endurance, power, speed, balance, etc., which result in physical fitness that helps an individual to lead a healthy life. Regular physical exercise helps an individual to develop positive mentality and increases mental consciousness. Regular physical activity improves the aspect of character and enhances personality. Continuous physical activity helps to develop nervous system and muscular movement. As a result, more work can be performed without spending much energy. Physical development involves growth and development of a child, develops internal systems of the body, fitness, finally develop sound health. During various sports and games program, participants exchange their culture, customs, tradition and ways of life. There is a tremendous importance to develop healthy and safety habits. Such healthy and safety habits like intake of nutritional food in proper time, adequate rest, personal hygiene, regular physical exercise, etc. This habit easily adopted and implemented through the various forms of physical activities. Participation in national games or state games, an individual acquires the knowledge about nation, its history, culture, heritage, which enhance patriotism. Participation in sports and games promotes a mentality of respect toward the organization, administration, players, and the authority. International sports events like Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, World Cup provide a common platform to exchange cultures and opinion among the participants, thereby developing goodwill and friendly relationship among the countries. Before going to the concluding part, I would like to show a video which will speak for itself.
Go, son. Do it. आओ। मिल्खा सिंह, ये आपकी जिंदगी की आखिरी रेस साबित हो सकती है।
दौड़ूंगा भी वैसे ही।
On your mark.
सन्नाटा है, सबकी नजरें उसी रेस ट्रैक पर। कौन जीतेगा?
हिंदुस्तान की उम्मीद मिल्खा सिंह या पाकिस्तान की शान,
एशिया का तूफान कहे जाने वाले अब्दुल खालिक। और ये गोली की आवाज यानी कि रेस शुरू, और इस रेस में शुरू से ही पाकिस्तान के अब्दुल खालिक बढ़त बनाए हुए लगता है वो जीतने का फैसला करके आए हैं। अब्दुल खालिक आसानी से अपनी मंजिल की ओर बढ़ते हुए बेबाक
बेधड़क जीत को हासिल करने की मन में ठान कर आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं।
ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे जीत उनके कदमों को चूमती हुई अब्दुल खालिक औरों को पीछे छोड़ते हुए लेकिन यहाँ कुछ और हो रहा है। देखते मिल्खा सिंह अचानक से रफ्तार पकड़ते हुए एक एक करके वो सबको पीछे छोड़ते जा रहे हैं और कितनी आसानी से उन्होंने पाकिस्तान के पीछे छोड़ दिया है।
करिश्मा ही कह सकते हैं जो दोबारा शायद कभी ना देखने को मिले।
ऐसा लग रहा है मिल्खा सिंह को पंख लग गए हैं।
हवा उन्हें खुद उड़ाकर ले जा रही है या बादलों पर दौड़ रही है मिल्खा सिंह।
Come on, Milkha.
पाकिस्तान में मिल्खा सिंह की इस शानदार जीत का जश्न पूरा देश मनाए। इसलिए मैं पूरे देश में एक दिन की छुट्टी का प्रस्ताव रखता हूं।
Questions. What is physical education? Number 2. Write how to keep oneself fit in physical education program. Number 3. Write the main objective of physical education.